All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Mining that coin, staking that coin, using that BlackFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff here on Frank's Crypto Corner. Today, we're going to be talking about a cryptocurrency that's actually up. There's so many cryptocurrencies that are down right now, down, down, down. We do that little song, red, 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 red. Well, this cryptocurrency is actually up. Near, N-E-A-R. Cryptocurrency is up right now in the last 24 hours. We're going to go over that. We're going to check out their website, go over their Twitter. Why is this cryptocurrency up? With everything else is being down, why is this cryptocurrency up? We're going to go over that. Also, property in the metaverse. They're saying right now this could be one of the biggest investments in the year 2022, buying property in the metaverse. So we're going to cover that. Now, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, you guessed it, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So, what do you think about this crypto? Everything's down right this second. I mean, Bitcoin is at 42,000 and it went all the way under 40 the other day. I mean, everything's going down. Is this really from the Feds talking about them raising the interest rates 3 times in 2022? Everybody's really all that scared and stuff that literally they're pulling their crypto off the table? I don't know. Well, let's go ahead and get this cryptocurrency is up. So we're going to talk about a cryptocurrency that's up today. I always ask everybody, would you rather invest into a cryptocurrency that's down 20%? Or would you rather invest into a cryptocurrency at the exact time when it's up 20%? So we've been doing so many coins that are down, down, down. We're going to go to the up one. So if you like investing when coins are up, let's head over to Near Cryptocurrency. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap. Yep, Near 20th cryptocurrency. It's up 16.80%. 16% it's up in the last 24 hours. This token is traded at $16.34. Clicking it. Again, over to the right, it's up 16% in the last 24 hours at $16.42. Taking a look here, this is in the last 24 hours what it's doing. Let's look at the last 7 days. Well, in the last 7 days, it's kind of went up and it's went back down. It looks like it's back on its upwards. So right now, everything is back on the up for the Near. Right down here is where we were, and it's going up, up, up. Fantastic. Going back to the 1 day. So in the last 24 hours, here's kind of what's going on. It kind of jumped, and then it's going up, up, up. So why is this cryptocurrency doing so well right now? Over here at the Twitter account, Near Protocol, official Near Protocol account, a Climax neutral, high speed, and low transaction fee layer 1 blockchain platform. Reimagine the world. So here we go on their Twitter, reimagine the world with Near Protocol. It says it's calling for all developers. The Near Protocol hackathon is live. Build on Near, the most developer-friendly layer block 1, simple, scalable, secure. Join 1,000 other participants to get a chance to win the 1 mil prize pool. 1M. 1M would have to be 1 mil. The Near Meta Build a Hackathon. A better future requires a better foundation. Build apps capable of taking millions of users on journeys they've never been on before. Simple, scalable, and secure. It says join the hackathon. Click it. It says join to register Near Meta Build Hackathon. Sign up, sign up, sign up, and sign up. So if you want to join and you want to build this and you want to have a chance to win, right here on the website, you can go ahead and do it. Go to their Twitter account. It says Jumbo on the Rainbow Bridge. Welcome Jumbo Exchange. Jumbo Exchange is now listed. Rainbow Bridge by Aurora is near. Aurora is near. As soon as the token is out, you can easily switch between Aurora and Near Protocol ecosystem. Pretty awesome, everybody. Jumbo on the Rainbow Bridge. Again, over here at the website, Near.org. Reimagine your world. Through simple, secure, and scalable technology, Near empowers millions to invent and explore new experiences. Businesses, creativity, and communities are being reimagined for a more sustainable and inclusive future. Look at that, everybody. Look at the world, how nice it looks. Yeah, there's the water and the air going through there. A foundation for creations. The creator economy requires robust infrastructure, including a set of developer tools and engaged decentralized community. Learn about the creator economy on Near. You click it, and it has a whole entire section. So if you're a creator and you want to create on Near, Let's go to the website. I'm not going to dig deep into this one, but if you're a developer, Near is looking for you. Solutions for scaling. Near is eliminating the barriers to Web3 adoption with high speed, low fees. Near climate neutral blockchain is ready to explosive growth. There you go on Near. All right, so this cryptocurrency is one of the few cryptocurrencies that's actually up right this second, up 16%. Well, what else is going to be up? The metaverse, buying properties. Real estate last year in 2021 was up so just crazy. I mean, you all heard it. 14 people bidded on the house with me. Oh, I was the third best bid. And I also bid at $25,000, $45,000 over the asking price, and I still lost. That was just last year. Well, with real estate being as crazy as it was just last year, digital real estate may be bigger. Let's go ahead and head over to the metaverse. Not even kidding, everybody. You can make more money with digital real estate if you knew how. It says metaverse real estate could be the next big thing in 2022. Is NFT land a good investment? And there you go. You got somebody standing there, and he's looking at the ground, and it's moving and stuff. The real estate has been a lucrative, booming business depending on how the economy runs. But what if you turn the trade into the metaverse? Does it stay that rewarding? Believe it or not, the metaverse real estate is actually happening. The trading them as NFT land has been worth millions. Millions with an M. There have been enormous investments in virtual land and the metaverse lately, with even the biggest players throwing their hats into the emerging arena. Their business across industries, including tech, finance, crypto, and real estates, have been buying land in digital platforms such as the Sandbox and Decentraland. Top executives from these firms have been charting business plans with their firms, driving the virtual metaverse, conjuring up by the game developer holes in the room. Yeah, you got people around boardrooms that are literally, what could we do? What could we buy? Atari bought a gigantic piece of property. I can't wait to see what that happens. The Wall Street Journal reported PwC purchased a virtual land at an undisclosed amount at the Sandbox. Well, it acquired the site that decentralized the house, a 3-story property, for about $35,000 in December. So buying a real piece of property for $35,000 is probably a pretty good fixer-upper. But buying in the metaverse, who knows? Even celebrities into the spree. The rapper Snoop Dogg, he developed his Snoopverse in the Sandbox, recently purchased a plot of land for $450,000. Crypto news. Yeah, so if you're Snoop, you can buy property for almost $500,000. And then everybody's going to go to his club and check it out. And it says, meanwhile, the metaverse-focused real estate company Metaverse Group also bought a virtual land on the decentralized platform for, you guessed it, $2.43 million. So yeah, is the metaverse a good idea for the average person? So, if everybody else is doing it, you may want to look into it. Now here's another one to illustrate how lucrative trading real estate and NFTs is. An investment fund spent a reported $900,000 to purchase an NFT representing a virtual plot of land in Decentraland. NFT sales data per Dapper Radar reveals that the transaction has been the most expensive NFT land purchased in Decentraland. $900,000, that's $1 million almost. Real estate in the metaverse. All right, so just think when you're at your BNI meetings and you're at your networking events and you're on your Zoom and people are talking about properties. What do you own? What do you own? Well, I got 3 properties over here and I got an apartment building, and you got a guy next to you that's got an island on the metaverse and it's worth this, and he's got a jacuzzi, this and that. This metaverse stuff is going to change the way the world is. So, all right, Near Protocol, one of the cryptocurrencies that's up right now. Let's go back and do a price prediction, see what's going on. Is this one of the cryptocurrencies you're going to put on your radar? Is it already on your radar? Hey, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on up-and-coming videos. And let's have a freaking fantastic 2022 year in crypto. Back over at CoinMarketCap here, this token is being traded for $16.18. So what's our price prediction on this? Well, I think this token can get to about $18. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. I don't think it's slowing down anytime soon. It's got great information on the website. People are liking it. It's one of the only cryptocurrencies that's up right now. We're going to go from $16 to maybe about $18. And again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Near's at number 20. Let's see what else is going on over here. Chainlink is up 9% in the last 7 days. Shiba's down 18% in the last 7 days, bounced back 3%. Matic made itself back. It's down 11, but it's up 12. Okay, good job on that. Dogecoin bounced back 6%. Avalanche was down 20, bounced back 5. Good job. Polkadot was down 18, bounced back 5. Good job. Even Luna down 20, bounced back 6. So we're seeing everybody bounce back right now. Bitcoin again down 11, bounced back 3. Ethereum down 19, bounced back 4. Pretty good episode, huh? Metaverse, property, digital. Huh, okay. We did one the other day about making money from cryptocurrency mining with your car. That's always pretty good. And Near is one of the only cryptocurrencies in the top 20 that's up right this second. So, I mean, everything's bouncing back, but Near's been up for the last 3 to 5 days and stuff when everything else was down. All right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today. We will see you a little bit later on.